Hello, Blockchain Zoo is happy to present version 1.0 of our ZooBC White Paper. In this paper, we describe a lot of the new technologies that we've come up with in our novel consensus mechanisms. So we describe especially node registration, the proof of participation algorithm, the way that rewards are distributed to the network, and many more things in technical detail, along with a little bit of, say, future vision of where we want to go with the technology next. I think the most interesting thing in the white paper is the proof of participation consensus algorithm. It's really quite different than any of the other types of consensus algorithms that have been floating around out there. And it's designed from scratch using some new thinking that we did at Blockchain Zoo for how to measure the performance of the network in a way that's not able to be gamed. So I think the section on that is quite interesting, and I encourage everybody to check it out. This is version 1.0 of the ZooBC White Paper, and this version of ZooBC technology that we're developing now is intended to be one step in a sequence of future steps. So going forward, we plan to do a second and a third version of the technology, which will each have their own white papers. We may update this one a little bit as we continue to refine the network in our alpha testing, but essentially most of the features we want to capture for ZooBC version 1 are in the white paper right now. It's a major release that we can look out for is going to be probably a version 2 white paper once we've really developed the ZooBC version 1 all the way. And we want to start working on the second iteration of the technology, where we'll absorb what we learned, take some new things that we want to try and expand on, and explain how we're actually going to implement each of those things at a technical level. So you can check that out in the future.